Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Today we'll be discussing burls and Burl Mallets. Stay tuned. When our Appalachian forefathers needed a new Burl Mallet or maul, they would gather their double bit axe, making sure it was sharp, and head into the woods. Harvesting a burl is very labor intensive and hard work, typical of many of the Appalachian chores. It was a very hard lifestyle. This is a burl that a friend gave to me. It was cut about 5 to 7 years ago, and it actually looks like it may be 2 burls. Just drilled a hole through the tenon and need to make sure that it is perpendicular to the grain and not parallel with the grain. Now, the thing about this joint is you pretty much get one shot at it, because as you drive it in, the wedge goes in and spreads the tenon. Since there will be a lot of force on this, I do not want a film finish, so I'm going to apply an oil varnish blend. And then after about 15 minutes, I'll wipe off the excess and I'll let it set for an hour or 2 and give it another coat. Thanks for watching the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Be proud of your Appalachian heritage.